Today on Max's Tech Lab, I'm going to be doing a tour of my workshop, I guess you could call it. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so starting off at the top of my shelf is my fire alarm and my automatic transfer switch. These are fully installed and working, and down here on the next shelf is just some little things. So over here we have my walkie-talkies and my Arduino kit, my Dremel kit, and an internet terminating kit. Down here I have a funny sign. Don't really know if you can read it, but that's what it says. And then just down there is my soldering stuff. And then right here is the external control panel for my fire alarm system and the strobe for my fire alarm system. So moving down, we have a pull station for my fire alarm system. We also have some bolts and drill bits, socket set, hole saws, and then we have my soldering iron, my Ryobi soldering iron. Over here we then have my drill driver and my jigsaw, then my impact, and then the charger. Then on the next shelf we have a box of screws. We have some breadboard wires. We have some things for my big battery box, which I will show you soon. And back there is a Ryobi soldering iron, Ryobi sander, a bunch of sandpaper, and then all the way at the back there, which you can't really see, is some distribution boxes that are just empty, some switchboards. Then on the very bottom down here, there's just a box of cables, box of light switches and power points and stuff, and then 2 toolboxes. So now we will move on to the bench. Okay, so starting at the bottom of my bench, I have my wire strippers, 3 pliers, scissors, a little screwdriver for some terminal blocks, and then I have another pull station for my fire alarm system, some smaller long nose pliers, a couple screwdrivers and wire cutters, and then this thing here is a power that I can plug in banana sockets, and if I turn that on, they then become live. And yeah. And then moving up, we have my multimeter on the side of the shelf, and we have this cool storage thing that has short circuits, kits, connectors, pencils, lots of wires, hot glue guns, tools, more connectors and tape and labels and stuff. And up the top we have basically the rest of my tools that aren't at the bottom of my bench. And then moving across, we have clamps and earmuffs and goggles and all that sort of stuff. So now I'm moving onto the side where sort of more productive stuff happens, so editing and stuff. I have a fan, I have a laptop stand that I built, I have my laptop. That's a good channel, you should go subscribe to them right now. And then under there, I just have some random stuff. And at the very end there is a clamp for holding wood and whatever else I want to hold. Okay, and then down the bottom here is my big battery box that I was talking about. So I installed an Anderson plug and a USB socket in there. That Anderson plug goes out into this connector, and then that goes up to my automatic transfer switch. So then coming across, just another big box of cables. So yeah, this probably wasn't very long, but I hope you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.